In this experiment, we will study the electric field set up by two oppositely charged parallel plates. Separate two metal plates by a few centimeters. Connect them to an EHT supply. Switch on the supply to charge the plates. With the help of a plastic rod, charge the strip by touching the positively charged plate. Switch off the EHT supply. Place the strip midway between the plates with the strip initially pointing downwards. Switch on the EHT supply. Observe the deflection of the strip. Without touching the plates, move the strip within the gap. What happens to the deflection of the strip? Move the strip outside the gap. What happens to the deflection of the strip?